Welcome to Firon Roofing. Specializing in residential roofing, we do small repairs and full roof replacements. We will assess the issues and provide you the options. Options to suit your needs, your budget, and your timeline, whether you're a homeowner balancing performance, curb appeal and cost, or a property manager balancing budgets and managing expectations. If you have wind, fire, or hail damage and need an honest assessment with reports and photos, you can count on Firon Roofing to get the job done right. Whether it's an emergency leak and you need help right away, or you're simply being proactive trying to plan ahead, our trained technicians will complete the required work with diligence and care. Once you're a Firon customer, you're a customer for life. If you need any post-job support, we'll be there. Firon Roofing, performing beyond expectations.
Visit fironroofing.ca.